Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Inc. and today I'm going to be giving you a quick update about the Cheyenne Solnova Unlimited. The Solnova Unlimited is Cheyenne's first wireless tattoo machine and was released to widespread praise from tattoo artists everywhere. Cheyenne has now launched a version of the Solnova Unlimited with a 4mm stroke length, which makes it ideal for laying bold lines and rich colour packing. For comparison, the initial Solnova Unlimited has a 3.5mm stroke and is perfect for lining and shading. Whichever stroke length you prefer comes down to your preference and tattooing style. If you'd like to learn more about the Cheyenne Solnova Unlimited, make sure to click on the link in the description below to watch our original video review of this wireless machine for an in-depth look at what it has to offer. So now that Cheyenne has released a Solnova Unlimited with a 4mm stroke, will you be picking it up for yourself? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.